Hello friends, I am Zishan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel zeeshan-web. Today in this video I will show you how to create a student progress report using HTML and CSS. And if you let's go to the AI and make a prompt. So if you don't use Cloud, then please use it. This is the best AI for coding. I'll make a prompt here. As you can see, I have write a prompt here. Please create a student progress report dashboard using HTML and CSS, and please provide the code in only one file. You can skip this if you want another file. So it will provide you with the other files as well. And I have write please make the dashboard unique for all others. Dashboard UI should be fully attractive and modern. User should see everything there. So let's push it, and as you can see Cloud is starting working. Let's see, it is writing the HTML first. Cloud is creating a single HTML file for us. It's taking some time, but it will give the best. As you can see here, it is writing all the HTML here. Okay, I think it's done, so let's try. Okay, so this is the progress report, but it is not functional yet. Let's try with with our file and copy the code. It is provided all the code, so let's copy and create a new file. So I'll create a new file here. It is for text file, and I will paste the code here. Okay, you can see the code is pasted here. Just we need to save this as .html, right? So I am saving into desktop, and this is the file name, student progress report. Okay, so it's saved. So let's try to open the file. I'm going to dashboard and open the student progress. So guys, as you can see, Cloud is created full progress student report for us, and it is the best. It is provided all the things like dashboard. User can see their overall GPA, attendance, assignment, classroom, student hours, and everything here, right? And also attendance calendar as well. And it is perfect, it is awesome, right? And if we see on subject page, if a cloud if we want subject page, Cloud can create. If we want assignment page, Cloud can create. If we want schedule page, Cloud can create. Just put the note here, just put the prompt here, and Cloud can do it for you. This is the best student dashboard, but currently it is in the dark mode. So let's ask Cloud to make it uh, light mode, and adjust the font size. Let me give the Cloud prompt here. So as you can see, I have made the prompt here, so let's push it. So as you can see, I have suggested the prompt, and it is start and Cloud is starting working. So let's see. As you can see guys, Cloud is working and working. So as you can see, Cloud is provided the whole HTML again. So let's try to copy and paste. Copy and paste it here. Control A, backspace, and paste. Okay, so let's see what is happening. Okay, as you can see, the Cloud is created the whole student dashboard for us, and it is very cool and perfect. As you can see, Cloud is make the light mode, and also make it fully responsive. And also you can see here the exam results and everything here, semester 1, semester 2, and full year. If you want this functionality, you just need to give the prompt to make this functional. Cloud can do it for you. Let's check this responsive as well. So I'm switching it to mobile, and as you can see, it is fully responsive. Yeah, yeah, this is the things I want to see. So let's see this. It is fully mobile responsive, and if you click on this icon, so you can see the whole dashboard here, and if you click on this, you can see all of the item here. And so now cloud is provided us the fully responsive user dashboard, and it is very perfect and cool. You don't need to do anything with on your own, because cloud is doing all the things for you. And it will also provide you with the dynamic cloud. If you want this click effect, if you want the subject page, if you want the assignment page, you can just ask here in the prompt and cloud will do it. Okay. And if you can see, it is cloud is provided as a fully responsive progress bar, free responsive chat, and other things, fully responsive calendar, fully responsive exam result, and other things. And this is the base for me as well. And I know if you like, and I know also if you would like it. So guys, that's it for now. If you want the source code for this report, you can ask me in the video comment. I will provide you as soon as possible. So for now, Allah Hafiz.